All right, good morning, guys. I'm out here at Justin Hurst on Saturday morning. Today's the 20th of January. Got a pretty good pick. I was picked 10th out of 49 groups, so I got a spot that I really like to hunt. So we'll see if it produces today. Pretty chilly this morning. I believe it's about 35 or so right now. So we got a north wind this morning. It's gonna be in my face, which kind of spot. This spot's not good for the north winds, but it's a great spot for birds. So we'll see how it goes. Wish me luck and stay tuned. All right, guys. I would say it's almost shooting time right now. So, I see a bird over there swimming, and then I saw one land out front in the decoy. So we'll wait a minute, see if we can get some birds to come in, and then hopefully knock down some birds for the day. Oh, come on, come on. That's a little farther than what I want to shoot at. Can't go under, he's having trouble going under, so. Alright. Young widgeon. I'm gonna walk over here to see, make sure before I Goosey. No. Young goose. Little young goose here. Alright, guys, got a small young goose here. Alright, guys, so it's about maybe 10 minutes to 11. So I'm gonna stay about another 10 minutes and that's it, and I'm getting out of here. All I got is this one widgeon and the goose. I've thought at several other birds and just couldn't hit them. So I guess this is all I'm getting for today. But if I don't kill anything within the next 10 minutes, I ain't gonna turn the video back on. This will be it. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. So hope y'all enjoyed it. Peace.